Hi everyone, welcome back to PassFab. When you are going to sell or give your iPhone to someone, you must do a factory reset on it. It will ask for iPhone passcode and Apple ID password. Reset iPhone to factory settings. So how to factory reset iPhone when you forgot your Apple ID password? The best method is reset your Apple ID password. Or you can reset iPhone with PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Connect iPhone to the computer. Trust the computer. Click Unlock Apple ID. Read the disclaimer. Click Start Remove. Make sure you have a screen passcode which will be used to unlock iPhone later, and two-factor authentication is on. Download the firmware. Press Start Remove button. Wait for a while. Your iPhone will be reset. Now, use device passcode to unlock the activation lock.